Hello, welcome to Lady So-and-so. My name's Tracy. I'm a quilt pattern designer and I design patterns that are for beginners and confident beginners. So I've got a quilt exhibition here that ends on the 26th of May, and I just wanted to show you around and show you the quilts that we've got. So we start off with the Sugar Skull. This is more for a confident beginner, but it's made up of all squares and half square triangles. As all my patterns are, with a little bit of pom-pom trim around the binding. And then we've got the giraffe quilt pattern here, and I made a mini up there, and this is all in the Macawa linen range, so they're all 1.5 inch unfinished squares and half square triangles. And we've got the bumblebee here, that's the full-size bumblebee, and that's got a beautiful cave background, and I think that really pops. And then the next one up is the hare quilt pattern. This is perfect for a beginner quilter because you've just got two fabrics here, and it's just the background fabric and the hare fabric. And again, the stag quilt pattern is great for a beginner because you've only got the two fabrics to sort out. So we have a mini bumblebee quilt with 1 inch finished squares. These are great for wall hangings or something to go on your table, or you could do a cushion cover, a big cushion cover. And then we've got the robot. I love this little fella, he's cute, and that would be great for like a grandchild or a child's quilt. And then the giraffe. I've made a few of the giraffes. And I quite like this ombre background, sort of like a dark sky kind of background. And then we have the tomte. And again, all squares, half square triangles. And then the big heart, again, this is perfect for a beginner quilter. And I used all my scraps, lots of fat quarters, and the white there's lots of different whites there, so I could use all of those up. So and then we've got the Halloween table runner, which you could make into cushion cover as well if you wanted. Just break it down. So there's a witch's hat, and here I've done the boots, and you could actually make that into a quilt with lots of different boots. Leopard print boots would be nice, or you know, all different colour boots. So that's the Halloween table runner. And then we have got the mushroom table runner. This one's a bit smaller. You can add to it, and again, you can break it down and make cute little cushion covers. And on the next table, we've got some placemats that I've made. And with this, I did a bit of free motion quilting, and these, you could make these nice and bright for like a summer table. So yeah, that's all the mushrooms. And then we've got the moth around here. So we have the hare here and the giraffe. They're in cave fabrics. They've been made up by Lady So-and-so. And then we've got a mini hare here that is in tulip pink, and that's again with 1 inch finished squares. So they're looking really beautiful, and it just gives a different sort of type of quilt using the patterns with the cave. And then if we go down here, we've got the sea turtle, which is made up in the Macawa linens. I'd say that's a beginner quilt. It's a very simple quilt to make up. And we have a couple of bugs down here. Again, a great quilt for you know, a child. And another giraffe. This giraffe is made up of Macawa linen texture. which is a good blender fabric. And then I'm going to show you the moth. The moth quilt is all in plains, but would look great in some animal fabric, leopard print or zebra print. And again, they're made up of all squares and half square triangles. And then we've got the original hair that I made in greys and a beige. And it's got a little embellishment around the edge of the hair. But like I've said, that's just a perfect beginner pattern. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my little tour around Lady So-and-so.
Thank you.